Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my 50-gallon red shrimp aquarium. I'm gonna start off with the top filter. As you can see, water is coming to the filter through an airlift pipe, and the top filter has been set up like a small stream, so water comes in, it flows through this pebbles and eventually drips down through a small outlet here to the bottom main aquarium. I've also put some duckweed in here to maintain the water quality, and when it drips down, it takes in a lot of oxygen with it to the tank. And below you can see I've put a couple of stones, big stones with java moss tied to it, and besides that you can see a bush of java moss which I had tied some time back, around 6 months back. The really trick about getting java moss to flourish is not to touch it, just leave it the way it is, and eventually it will take over everything. Between those moss you can also see red cherry shrimps really flourishing. So this is a simple setup but very efficient. It hardly needs any maintenance at all.